Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to deal with one verb, that is would. Would is said to be modal verb in English language, MODAL. See, this is also known as auxiliary verb. Okay. It has a variety of functions in English language. It's a very important verb to learn and practice. See, this is would. Let us discuss some applications of this verb would in this session. We are going to deal with two usages. The first one, to say what was going to happen in the past. About future. See, it's about a past action. In the first case, we are discussing the past action. Somebody said that he would go to market. This is how the verb said, it's about past. It's past tense verb. It also indicates the action that had happened in the past. Okay. He said that he would go to market. It means that he's going to market, that's in the future. After half an hour, after 10 minutes, the future may be after 1 hour or after 1 day, maybe any part of the time. Okay, students, this is how would explains a past action. A past action in that past about the future. See, students, let us discuss some examples in detail. Ram said that he would receive his brother at the airport. Ram said, that is past. He would receive his brother at the airport. That's about future in the past. Okay. Now, another example. Is it clear for all of you students? Okay. I told my friend that I would go on leave next week. I told my friend that I would go on leave. So it means I told my friend, it's past. It's already completed action. That I would go on leave. I may go after 1 day or 2 days or 1 week, after 1 month. It's in future. So would tells us an action of the past about future. So try to differentiate between these two. Let us have one more example, students. Okay. Ram said that he would attend his friend Srikant's birthday. Ram announced that he would attend the birthday of Srikant, his friend. Ram announced, it's the action of the past, and he would attend the birthday party of his friend Srikant. That's future action in the past. So this is how this verb gives us a very interesting usage. So students, to say what was going to happen in the past about future. That's this verb would is about in the first application. Coming to the second application. To say something that was going to happen after a particular point in the past. It's also about past action. To say something which was going to happen, that would happen, okay, after a particular point in the past. Let us discuss some examples here, students. See, they have drafted a deed. The partners are there in a farm. They have drafted a deed. So with that deed, they all expect that deed would systematize their form. Okay. So that deed, that is the particular point in the past. So exercising the deed, that is the particular point in the past. Okay, students. So they have drafted a deed that would systematize their company. The partners drafted a deed that would systematize their firm. See, students, in this systematizing the firm, that would happen only after the deed. the partnership deed. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Okay. Okay, students. So, coming to the next example. This example is also about the second application. This is also a very interesting example, students. See, a lady is there. She is running a company. She talked about a deal that would develop her company. She talked about a deal. That deal is the one she talked about. Talked that happened in the past. So after the deal, that deal only would develop her company. This is also the similar kind of example, students. So she talked about a deal. She had announced a deal that would develop her company. That would develop her company or firm or organization. We can have one more example. My friend went for a nature visit. My friend went for a nature visit that would bring in peace to him because he is very much interested in nature visits. So he wanted to have some state of peace, so that he went on a nature trip. He went on a nature visit. So that particular point, nature visit, that is the particular point that would bring in peace to him. So students, this is about second application. So these two are very important applications in English language about would. The first one is to say what was going to happen in the past about future. Second one, to say something that was going to happen after particular point in the past. Here, he said that he would receive his brother at the airport. I told my friend that I would go on leave. Ram said that he would attend the birthday party of his friend Srikant. In these three examples of the first usage or the application, attending the birthday party or going on leave and receiving his brother at the airport, these three are the future actions in the past. The future actions in the past. Okay, students? Please note that. That's very important. The second one is that something, to say something that was going to happen after a particular point in the past. See, my friend went on a nature trip. My friend went for a nature trip that would bring in peace to him. So that nature trip, that's a particular point of time, point in the past. From that point, he would get the peace. That point would bring the nature trip that would bring in peace to him. And the partners, they drafted a deed that would systematize their form. So the deed, that's the particular point that would systematize their form. And the lady, she had talked about a deal. She talked about a deal that would develop her organization or a company. These are the three examples, students, for the second application. Would. The modal verb would tells us about past. And in past again, the future thing that is going to happen. That is the first application. Second application, the future thing that is going to happen after a particular point in the past. So these two applications are very important, my dear students. Study them, listen to this, practice these examples and apply them in your regular actions. Okay, tomorrow I would attend the seminar. Okay, you told your mother, Mummy, I will attend seminar tomorrow. Yes, immediately you can tell yourself, I told my mother that I would attend seminar tomorrow. Very good. It's about past. What past it is? Because already you told your mother. Telling your mother, it's done. You told your mother that you would attend seminar tomorrow. Or you would attend seminar. It may be today afternoon or after 1 hour or tomorrow or after 2 days or after a week or a month. So it's about the future. This is how you have to apply in your regular actions. Okay, you will be meeting your friend after a week. You told your brother, I'll meet my friend next week because she'll be coming to see her parents here from a different place. Okay, immediately you can tell yourself, I told my brother that I would meet my friend next week. Wonderful. You apply like that. If you are applying like that, you will be strengthening your vocabulary and expressions and communication. That is what this session is for. So my dear students, subscribe my channel. I request you all to subscribe my channel and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.